ہم ایک ایسی کمپنی میں یہاں پر موجود ہیں جو کہ منا اور مکہ المکرمہ میں ٹینٹ یا جو حاجیوں کی اکوموڈیشن ہے اس کو فیسیلیٹیٹ کرتی ہے. البداد اوکے البداد کا یہاں جی ايش عندكم لو سمحت؟
احنا شركة موجودة في المملكة العربية السعودية البداد Saudi Holding.
Okay.
Specialized in designing, manufacturing, installing all kinds of semi-permanent and permanent aluminum frame structures and steel structures.
Okay.
Proudly, last year we delivered about 1.6 million square meters of tents during the Hajj season in Arafah.
MashaAllah.
And as well, we are specialized in fabricating all kinds of prefabricated structures, meaning the portable cabins for the toilets, for the security offices, and many other solutions. This year we are introducing a new double-decker structure, which is going to be, which is 10 by 14 meters, a double-decker structure. The ground floor carries up to 102 packs. The second floor carries up to 104 packs. And inshallah, if it's God's willing, it will be implemented or installed in Arafah and Mina, and hopefully some of it this year, and the remaining will be next year.
Okay, great. So are you saying that you are the only company who is organizing or providing the accommodations for Hajis in the...
We are the leading company in the market, joined forces with different governmental sectors.
Okay.
And one of the main companies that we are working with is Kidana.
Kidana, okay.
You can take a look over here. This is a project that AlBaddad and Kidana delivered last year during the Hajj season. You're talking about 300 VIP chalets along with the central kitchen, catering facilities, dining hall, and VIP lounge. And if you see here at the back some of the tents and the structures that we have delivered during the Hajj season. This is one of the main tents or semi-permanent structures that we deliver. It is unique in the market because it has very high standards that meets with the Hajj expectations.
Okay.
By providing a double layer of PVC, antibacterial carpet, along with the flooring system, lining, lights, enough sockets for each person or each individual so they can charge their mobile, along with the sofa beds and catering solutions provided by our sister company, AlBaddad.
All right. Thank you very much. Wishing you all the best.